Facebook ads course. And now we have reached at a very important stage. And here we are going to learn all about pixels, conversion tracking and all these things. Friends, in the Facebook ads course that we've brought you along with AI, we have covered a lot in this. I hope you have learned and practiced everything. The specialty of this course is in 2025. All the latest features that is introduced. We are teaching you the entire course based on them, and within this we will also have the course related to AI, and we will bring many courses how you can do with the help of AI tools and get the help with Facebook ads, increase productivity, make work easier and improve efficiency. But what we are about to start now is very important, and that is the Facebook pixel. What is pixel? Friends, just like as the Google has a remarketing tag that we use for conversion tracking, so same as that in Facebook, it is called as pixel. A pixel is a piece of code. It's a small piece of code. So we can take code that we can either keep it on our website, app, or maybe on the landing page where we just want to connect it. And we take that pixel from the Facebook ad account, alright? And then place it on our website or landing page. Now, when we install it, our website will get connected with the particular Facebook ad account from where we took the pixel. Alright? And now the benefit of this is that now whatever ads we will run and whatever visitors will come to our website, okay, or any activity that will happen on our website, we will be able to track all those things. What will be the benefit of this? And that we can track the performance of our website and our ads performance. Okay, we will be able to gather all sorts of data about our viewers and our users and their behavior, on basis of which we can do excellent remarketing and retargeting, on basis of which we can increase conversions. Okay, and then where is add to cart? We want to see add to cart actions and how many lead forms were filled or what actions were taken in regard to that. How many sales came in, we can track all these things. And when we are able to collect and gather all these data together, only then our pixel will grow properly. Alright? And then only we will be able to get even more benefits and scale up our work without installing a pixel. You cannot scale up your ads. Also, you cannot do remarketing. And you will not be able to improve the conversions. So friends, learn this because I am going to teach you practically that how you will install the pixel on your website. For this, we have created a dummy website to teach you all practically, which is marketingfundasglobal.in. But remember that our main website is marketingfundas.com. You can go there and contact us anytime for services, studying, training, courses or anything at all. So now I have opened its admin panel and this is WordPress admin panel. Okay. So we'll go in admin panel to install code. But before installing it, we need to get the code, right? So whichever ad account you are using right now, okay? So you will need its pixel. What you will do with that? Go to your Facebook ad account. Here you can click on all tools and then you will find event manager there as well. Otherwise, you can even directly click on event manager, okay? After clicking on event manager, as because it's a new account, some things are not set up and no data is visible. Click on connect data. After clicking here, it will ask you if you want to connect a web, meaning a website, or connect an app. Is there any offline data or any CRM? Or you want to connect on WhatsApp, Messenger or Instagram? What we will do is we will connect the website. This also applies if you have created a landing page. The procedure for the rest is same. I'm showing you how to do it for a website because it's the most common and most widely used. We'll click next. After clicking next, create a new data set. So the thing that we are creating here, right? We will give this data set a name, okay? So we will give it a name here. MF meaning marketing fundas. Web pixel 1. I have given it a name. We will create it here. And this also decreases our cost per result. As you can see here, it is telling us it has many benefits. Now here under choose how to connect your website, it will show us some options. It's opening. So from these options, we will choose a particular option and we will move forward. Friends, Facebook ads are very simple. If you practice it well, you can easily become a professional or an expert in it. But practice is very important. Here we have setup with conversion API gateway, setup with partner integration, and setup manually. So I am teaching you how to set it up manually. We will click next here. After clicking next, conversion API or metapixel only, okay? We don't want to use conversion API. It's recommended, but now we'll just use meta. Pixel only option. So here we will select metapixel only and then we will click next. Look, all these changes that are here. These are latest ones. It didn't used to be like this before. All these things are being updated to make our work easier. So the code has appeared here. We just have to copy the code. I've copied it. But now tell me when it will be verified. First, we will go to our admin panel. To install the code, we'll go to appearance and then after going in appearance, select theme file editor. And on the right side, we'll scroll down and here the option of header.php is appearing. We'll click it. The code section has appeared here because we've to install this code in the head. As you can also see here. This pixel code goes in header section of website, okay? You have to copy paste it. They've also given instructions for the code below. So look here, the head section has started. So you can place the code between where the head section is starting and where the head section ends. I'll install the code here. I have pasted the code. But after pasting the code, remember one thing, you must update the file that you have just edited. So keep that in mind. And if you don't update the file, then this data will not be saved and the code will not be installed. I have saved it and now here it says file edited successfully. Now I will go back to the pixel settings. So friends, now we have come down to data sources and look here, the pixel that I have created, MF Web Pixel 1, its ID has appeared. Okay. And now my pixel. It has been installed and that's why it has appeared. If it wasn't installed, this wouldn't come up here. So I've installed it here and it's also showing up here. But I also have to show you on the website whether my pixel is installed or not, right? So for this, there is one extension of Chrome called as Metapixel Helper. And now I will add this extension to my Chrome, and for that we will click on Add Extension. The extension has been added here. Then pin it. Okay. Now here, once we are on the website, and then we'll refresh the website. After refreshing the website and it automatically shows that one pixel is installed, we'll click it. Look here, the metapixel that I had installed. So the ID of this pixel ends with 809. 430. Let's see if it's same ID. 809430. So now through this it is verified that yes, my pixel has been installed. Alright. Okay. If you want to troubleshoot, you can do that also. Now that's the next stage and I hope it is clear to you how to get the pixel code, how to install it on the website and check it. So our work is completed here. Now further ahead in this course, we will teach you how to set up events. Alright. And how to set up many other features of the pixel in various ways. And to create custom audience, we'll teach you all these things. So still there are many things to cover in the course. Then we'll practically teach you how to create campaigns one by one. So I hope you liked the video and you will continue to learn well like this.